Today I'll be reviewing this Eternal Rose box. The company actually sent it out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, it comes in a little white box like this. I have not fully opened the box, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, give you my first impressions, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. It does come with this cute little gift bag, so this is perfect if you are gifting it to someone or just for yourself. And here's the box. So let's go ahead and take it out. As you can see, it is wrapped in there. If you are gifting this to someone, I would highly recommend to make sure you take it out of the little white box and take off all the little plastics. Take it out of the box fully, take off the plastic, so you can go ahead and have this beautiful rose and a gift all together. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh wow. So see, I didn't even know it did that. So it was like this, and I thought you needed to open it and fix it, but this actually spins it. So that's really cool. Look at that. How cute. This is so lovely. I'm going to go ahead and give you a front view, but this is kind of like the top view of it. But the front view, it's actually this little gold notch right here. You go ahead and spin it, and that'll reveal the necklace, or put it this way, and that actually shows the flower. And this is a real long-lasting flower. And the great thing about this is that it's actually available in a variety of colors. I wanted the nice, classy white and gold look, but it's available in pink, in green, and many colors. So let me go ahead and open it up. So to open it up, you just want to go ahead and pull on this, take a look, and it reveals it. Look at how pretty the rose is. Give you a closer look. Wow, that is so beautiful. Such a nice looking rose. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip it. We're going to take a look at that necklace. So the necklace does come already in the little gift box, as you can see. So definitely, if you are gifting it to someone personally, I would say take off all the plastic, just so all they have is the necklace. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the necklace fully. I already removed the plastic. Just go ahead and tug on that little part right there, and then you're able to fully pull out the necklace. I'm going to take it off of this. It's a beautiful rose gold necklace. This is actually a double heart necklace. I'll give you a closer look. It is engraved. It has my names and my partner's names. It's so cute. It has Hector and Judy. Such a beautiful, cute necklace. I cannot believe how cute this is. I didn't think that it was going to be this detailed, so dainty. Like, the attention to detail is just beautiful. But let me go ahead and give you a closer look. Take a look. Such a beautiful, delicate necklace. And this is in a rose gold color. But look at how pretty. And look at the two hearts. So you can see one says Judy. The other heart says Hector. So you could see there, Judy, Hector. So it doesn't necessarily have to be your partner's name, but if you choose to, you could do your kids' names, your spouse's name, boyfriend name. This is such a cute gift for a wedding, Valentines, for Mother's Day, Christmas, birthday. And as you can see right here, the necklace itself does have a lobster clasp. So let's go ahead and try this on now. Okay, so take a look. I have the necklace on, and as you can see, it is so beautiful, so dainty. The two little hearts just hang and dangle right here in the middle. They both interlock with each other. I was very impressed with how clear and legible the names were on the necklace itself. You could actually clearly read them as you look at the necklace, but look at how beautiful that is. So again, you could gift this to a significant other, to your best friend, to your mom, to a sibling. It is such a unique gift. And not only that, but it comes with a beautiful piece as well, the flower inside. And like I mentioned, it is available in a variety of colors and also different color options. Super cute, super customizable. Overall, honestly, I am definitely impressed. This is such a cute gift idea. So if you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll go ahead and link it down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.